Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Octane with another diss track, khago. Song called Liad Boy. So, Octane, Liad Boy, diss track, khago. So, we see we are round second start now, and khago dropped theme song yesterday. When I say cold feet, Octane of cold feet, I'm afraid, like several pussies. Yeah, like basically that's what he said. I'm not making things up. And now producer get John into it because the song were put together that wasn't supposed to be put together. It was supposed to be two singles apparently. Now we have Octane clear up things, and now what am I say, yo, khago, yeah, Liad. I believe he went on JA radio. I believe khago went on JA radio. Also, I don't watch that yet. So let's see what Octane have to say. All right. Let me bring in this bit a little bit because this sun is out there. All right, let's go.
Well, I just say, I'm teaching boy, if you sing good as pussy, I sing good in this song. Eh? Yeah, you ever sing good in this song if you just let go off for somebody host this out of voice. Let go off for somebody host this and the tension and the catchy.
So basically,
this, I be a them boy, the teacher. I tell you, your dog sound. I biggest song this dog drop this song now, man. I think the internet is a bomb can catch a fire, you know that.
Who for teacher?
So basically, that is a voice note from khago that Octane play. Where he must say, yo, khago, you basically approve of the song. So you tell the producer, say, drop the song, and now you go up on the media and I say, yo, you don't know about the song, and blah blah blah, and you say, yo, Octane voice sound good in the song. And the biggest song that Octane get. I'm career. So let's go.
This dog drop the song now, man. I think the internet is a bomb can catch a fire, you know that.
Who for teacher? You're blood clot sea creature. Liad.
I say, you're for teacher. You know, say you're a sea creature. You can't ramp with me. Eh? Your population of this, you're a descendant of the sea. Your population, you're a sea resident. Yeah, that's right. They're a sea resident. That's how it's called. That's how Octane say about khago, not me.
Fuck on your license. Bumbleclad, boss splice. Come on, tell me bumbleclad, where no much gold and splice you.
I say, oh, you lie, sir. You come and tell the world, say gold and splice you. Nothing like that. I know splice thing, you know about it.
Hey, that boy. Shut up, got up in your head like Tyson. Ja, shut up, Frankfish. Me not fi take you for
Shut up, who?
Ja, shut up, Frankfish.
Man say, shut up, Frankfish. You never see a Frankfish before?
Like Tyson. Ja, shut up, Frankfish. Me not fi take you for kill you. Pussy me not fi take you for kill you. Kill you in front of people, me evil. Think that blood clot ring that can shield you.
The man said, brother, listen to me, dog. What kind of trick you talk about? Me not have to trick you for kill you. You're easy dead, bud. You're easy kill. Me not have to trick you for kill you, me G. Shut you right in front of people right now. Broad daylight, 12 o'clock, middle day. Criminal, born convict. That is what I am. So me not have to trick you for kill you. Me not have to tell producers if we do nothing. Because you done dead already. That is what Octane is saying.
Kill you in front of people, me evil. Think that blood clot ring that can shield you. No, me not be jig you fi kill you. Me no badness me see so. We ex-sick come see me so. Me not be jig you fi kill you.
The man say, yo, listen, a long time me I do this. Me well seasoned up. I'm experienced. I'm cure in this. This is my arena you're in, khago. Me not fi trick you fi kill you, brother. Me head done mad already. Me done been a killer already. That is what Octane is saying. Not me.
No, me not be jig you fi kill you. Me no badness me see so. We ex-sick come see me so. Me not be jig you fi kill you.
Man say me head sick, brother. Flu. Pink eye. Sick out. Measles. Yeah. Cold. Yeah.
We ex-sick come see me so. Me not be jig you fi kill you. The one rough you know a gunshot. Inna your fuck mouth fi munch that. Run out your blood from the road like run flat.
The war up. The war up. So don't think that the war slow down. The war up, and by the looks of it, it's back up together. Because one point you have Khago drop a song yesterday, Octane drop one today. That's how the war was at first. So it's back to that. I like it. I like it.
See me so, me not fi think if I kill you.
Yeah.
The one rough you know a gunshot. Inna your fuck mouth fi munch that. Run out your blood from the road like run flat.
A gunshot in your mouth. A gunshot in your mouth for you munch that. Cheese chicks. Yes, burger. Yes. Fast food. Gunshot you get like that. That is what Octane is saying. Run out your little blood. Run out your red. Run out your red, your bodily fluids. On the road like run flat tires. Run flat tires.
Gunshot. Inna your fuck mouth fi munch that. Run out your blood from the road like run flat. Some be in a body no give no boy no comfort. In a head pump shot. Pussy all when you're fat with.
Me not a shot for waste. Right now in your head me go pump it. So you're off it dead. Doctor not have to pronounce you dead because you're dead at the scene. So them scene say you're dead at the scene. That is where it's at. Khago, what are you saying? That is what Octane is saying, not me.
Nobody no give no boy no comfort. In a head pump shot. Pussy all when you're fat with you. Still I get rifle binds out of the block with you. Run up mad enough a spot for you.
Man, so even if you have God in your top pocket, nothing can save you. Earlier on, he mentioned gathering. Him say, yo, you look at gathering where you have to, can't save you. That not no power night, brother. Metal, hardball, gonna kill you. Nobody can save you when Mr. Nick goes so. I knock at your door. Nobody can save you.
Still I get rifle binds out of the block with you. Run up mad enough a spot for you. You no bad man no bad trio. Nyam fuck.
You're not bad. Remember say man a bad trio. Remember say you're not bad. Remember say you take it where you have to exit. You take it in there, so. Remember say man a bad trio, dog. You're not bad. Nothing but you're not bad. Apart from your mind and your breath. I don't know what me I said. That's the way Octane I said about Khago. I'm just reiterating it. Yeah.
Run up mad enough a spot for you. You no bad man no bad trio. Nyam fuck heart sleepless. But the arms of me carry. Them a rifle your palm up somebody.
At the same rhythm this where Khago the pan, are the rhythm knock over back.
But the arms of me carry. Them a rifle your palm up somebody. Ain't pussy gun when me can up your body.
Them a rifle are well ready here. They are capable of bombing your body. We not cremate you, we are bomb your dog.
Them a rifle your palm up somebody. Ain't pussy gun when me can up your body. Cool eyes back in the heart, yeah me have it. But the arms of me carry. Them a rifle your palm up somebody. Ain't pussy gun when me can up your body. Cool eyes back in the heart, yeah me have it.
Hear that boy?
Me not fi think you fi kill you.
Nope.
Pussy me not fi think you fi kill you.
Nope.
Kill you in front of people, me evil. Think that blood clot ring that can shield you. No, me not fi think you fi kill you. In a badness me see so. We ex come on see me so. Me not fi think you fi kill you. I fall in your girl pussy crosses boy.
Man say go fold up. Go fold up like clothes are packed in a suitcase. We have limited space. Go and fold up like clothes at the bottom of the barrel. Go and fold up like clothes. Where you get ready to put in your drawer. Go and fold up in your girl. Meow. That's how we Octane as a Khago. Man say you're going to fold up, brother.
Me not fi think you fi kill you. I fall in your girl pussy crosses boy. Rise up the matic and clot it boy. War you start it boy. Alpha digger roll and last this boy.
Man say yo that warrior you start it, but guess what? Me I go finish it. Alpha digger roll and make me just last this boy and done. Easily. Yo.
War you start it boy. Alpha digger roll and last this boy. When me gun bust boy collapse, sink like spanner. Roll and last this boy. When me gun bust boy collapse, sink like spanner. Dead bull stop like no boy. When me gun bust boy collapse, sink like spanner.
When me gun bust boy collapse, sing like spanner. I sing you say that so? Sing like spanner? You mean spanner banner?
Roll whole and lost this boy. When me gun bust boy collapse, sink like spanner. Dead bull stop like a boss like come up. Boy collapse, sink like spanner. Dead bull stop like a boss like come up. When you pan belly stutter get stomach. Young fuck dead dream grammar.
Man say you're dead because of the word where you utter. The man say you're dead because of your mouth. The man say you're dead because of your fault. Your mouth can't keep shut. That's why you're dead. That's the way Octane I say about khago, not me.
When you pan belly stutter get stomach. Young fuck dead dream grammar. Pussy we no play, we no violin. Beat it nasal red bend the fire pin.
Brother, we no play that. We are no instrument. We are no piano. We are no drum set. No, we are no violin. No. We are beat it till the fire pin broke. And the pin on me attack and in a blackberry. No, I am beating it. I am beating it like somebody will misbehave. I am beating it. Fire pin have to go broke.
Pussy we no play, we no violin. Beat it nasal red bend the fire pin. Shot make brain fly like he buy a wing. Love chat is zigzag a quiet them.
The man say, yo, them shot are gonna make your brain fly like it by a wing. Like it by a first class flight. It a go fly up in the sky.
Shot make brain fly like he buy a wing. Love chat is zigzag a quiet them. Pussy we no play, we no violin. Beat it nasal red bend the fire pin. Shot make brain fly like he buy a wing. Love chat is zigzag a quiet them.
You love chat. Alright, hear them now. Hear them chat.
Make brain fly like he buy a wing. Love chat is zigzag a quiet them. Me not fi cheek you fi kill you.
Whoa.
Pussy me not fi cheek you fi kill you. Kill you in front of people me evil. Think the blood clot ring that can't shield you. No, me not fi cheek you fi kill you. In a badness me sees we ex come on see me so me not fi cheek you fi kill you. Yeah, style.
Man say, yo, brother, stop tell lie, brother. Stop go to the media and chat shit to the media, dog. You don't know, say you agree to the whole terms and condition of the song before the song put out. You know everything about it. Stop blame the producer. Stop throw the producer under the bus. What you do? Me not have to trick you for kill your dog. What kind of trickster you call on per man name? Remember say me bad in a real life. Remember say me bad in a real life. So me not have to put on a little stunt for kill you. Either way you take it, you go dead. Either way you take it, guys, the war is on. The war is on, and that is what all we want to see. Octane, hear me I say, big up yourself. Hear me I say, big up yourself. But hear me I say, low after too much of the talking thing in the media publicly about plans to the war are where you think fi go or where you think if you go. Just drop song. Khago, same thing. Low off of somebody talking up about the war, brother. Uno low off of that, brother. In the studio, uno fit there, I do put all the talking in on the song, them dog. That's what I want to see, bro. That I want to see, dog. Only for talking from one side to the next side, and it'll get too played out, brother. We don't want that, man. We want to focus on the war at hand. Forget about who get jogging now. Yes, the producer get jogging where him shouldn't get jogging there. So, all right, cool. That pass and gone. Focus on the war. And that we want to see. That is what we are here for. That is what we are paying for free to hear. Yeah, we are paying for free. Get it? We're not paying nothing. But yeah, what? The entertainment, nice. Because the business need it. Big up the two artists then we have put it in. Khago, big up. Octane, big up. You understand? Yes. Big up the two owners for putting in the work. We love it. You know, so that is what we want to see, dog. More music, less talking on the media. You understand? All right. So this is why I'm going to leave that one there. Anyway, if you enjoyed that one and want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new, and I will see you in the other one for sure, for sure. I'm a drink of it,